We told you to watch out for price in Wingstop, in Kava, and here's a new short call in Duolingo. So as you can see, Duolingo's had a really good run as a stock up here in the mid 300s, but we're gonna go through the numbers as to why you should worry about Duolingo's valuation and some other items within the company. Let's start with valuation for Duolingo. PE, the market is about 19 right now. PE for Duolingo, 202. It's actually hung out in this level for a couple years now. Very, very stretched valuation. Growers deserve a high valuation, but let's look at whether this one does. So aside from the 200 PE, which is already ridiculous, let's look at price to sales here, which is a better metric for software companies in general, right? And so look at the revenue here, just under $1 billion. So about 17x price to revenue. Where should this be priced? Well, take a look at the growth. 30% growth on the top line, 26, 24. Typically something like this would price out at in the neighborhood of 8 to 10x price to sales. So as you can see, in a price to sales multiple, this is also very high. Let's take a look at the quarters to figure out when this relationship might break down. So let's look at the last 2 quarters revenue growth as reported. 40% growth, great. 39%, great. Looking to decline 33% and 31%. But here's the part I'm really worried about. Last quarter, their EBITDA margin was just 8%, and they are expecting 25% this quarter. That is a massive jump. So this is what Duolingo, the bar it has to jump over is very tall. 33% revenue growth, not easy in this kind of market. A margin jump from 8 to 25. If this is the quarter where all of these go down, especially if revenue growth goes down into the 20-something percentages, you will watch this stock re-rate and re-rate massively. That 200 PE will probably implode, and investors will not like being in Duolingo. We've seen this before in Wingstop and Kava and some of the other videos that we did. Speaking of which, thanks for everything you guys do, watching our videos, liking our videos, subscribing our videos. You guys have any questions, hit us. We'd love to hear.